Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to get the coefficient an. That is, we have gotten the coefficient a naught, and now we're moving on to the coefficient of an. So now, how do we get the coefficient of an? Now, looking at this, how do we get the coefficient of an? How we get the coefficient of an? When we look at all our useful integrals here, the way to do it is to make sure that whatever is at the back of the coefficient of an here is squared. That is the cos nx. So if we have cos square nx, we can get pi, while the others will become 0. And don't forget, integral, the integral sign is what is going to make it equal to pi. So let's do that for both sides. We'll add we multiply both sides by the integral from 0 to 2 pi of cos n pi. So let's do that. Now, if we do it both sides, we have integral from 0 to 2 pi of f of x, which is initially there, and we add our cos nx. Cos nx, yes, we have cos nx dx is equal to, now we do it for this side too, we have the integral from 0 to 2 pi of a naught over 2, a naught over 2 cos nx dx. We have plus integral from 0 to 2 pi of an cos nx, and we also have another cos nx. So therefore, cos nx times cos nx is going to be equal to cos nx all square, which is cos square nx. Then we have the x, and we have plus integral from 0 to 2 pi of bn sine nx cos nx dx. So now this is what we do when we apply cos nx to every single one of them. So now we can just bring out our constant out. So we are going to be having this as the integral from 0 to 2 pi. Our constant a naught over 2 can come out. Then we have our cos nx. The x is equals to, we have our an can come out. No, this is plus sign. An integral from 0 to 2 pi of cos square nx dx. So then also we have plus bn, the integral from 0 to 2 pi of sine nx cos nx dx. So now, why you know that this works is that every other thing apart from what is on this side and this middle is going to become 0. Why? Because you see that we have the integral of cos nx dx here, this is it, is going to become 0. So we add our integral of 2 pi to 0 f of x cos nx dx equals to, this here is 0. Then we have this here, this is going to give us what here? This is going to give us pi. So we have plus an times pi for that. And then for our this one here, we have sine nx cos nx. Now look at this. We have sine nx here, cos nx dx. What is it going to give us? 0. So therefore, everything here is equal to 0. You can see where we are going. So this is going to give us the integral of 2 pi of 0 f of x cos nx dx is equals to pi times a of n. If we divide both sides by pi, 1 over pi, we have our a of n is equals to 1 over pi, the integral from 0 to 2 pi of f of x cos nx dx. So now this is what it looks like. So this is how our formula for getting the coefficient a of n is equals to 1 over pi from integration of f of x cos nx dx from 0 to 2 pi. Thank you very much.